Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Unique Coaching class. Students, in last two video, we have learned about how to find out correlation of coefficient in case of group data. Now today we are going to solve more sum regarding that with some minor twist point. Okay. અગાઉના બે વિડીયોમાં જોયું હતું આપણે ગ્રુપ ડેટા આપેલા હોય ત્યારે કઈ રીતે આપણે કોફિશિયન્ટ આર શોધીએ છીએ. તો હવે આજે આપણે બીજા બે ત્રણ દાખલા જોઈશું. એમાં થોડા માઇનર ટ્વિસ્ટ પોઈન્ટ આવશે અને કઈ રીતે આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવાની છે. So let's see. Calculate the correlation coefficient from the following table and also find correlation of determination. They ask one more point to find correlation of determination means what? R square. So we know how to find out that. Now let's see the amount x and y is given. Here the class is given and here their frequency is given. So I told you here some minor twist point comes, minor not much major, okay, simple and easy point. If you see properly, you can see that, look at this class. Here class is given opposite way. Okay, સીધી રે આપ્યા નથી, ઉલટી રે આપેલા છે. Look at 14 to 18, 10 to 14, 6 to 10, 2 to 6. Normally it would be like this, 2 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 18. Okay, આ રીતે હોવા જોઈએ, but ઉલટું આપેલું છે. So what would be effect if they give class like this? So it would be minor effect. It would be effect only u or v which is connected with that. Okay, તો આની ઇફેક્ટ કોના પર પડશે? તમે જે u કે v જે ગણતરી કરો છો બસ એની કેલ્ક્યુલેશન પર ઇફેક્ટ પડશે. Suppose I explain you here 18 to 22. Okay, with this what we do, first of all we find out the mid value. Okay, સૌથી પહેલા આપણે શું find out કરીએ? Mid value. So if we find out mid value 2 to 6, so 4, 16, so 8, 24, so 12, 16 and 20. After that whenever we find u or v which is connected, okay, u કે v જે પણ એની સાથે connected હશે આપણે find કરીશું. So I told you normally suppose the center number as a or b and here 0. Now this side we write -1, -2 and this side 1 and 2. Okay, so this is basic step we follow every time. But suppose if they give in a opposite way, okay, opposite direction like this way, 18 to 22, 14 to 18, 10 to 14, 6 to 10 and 2 to 6. Okay, then we find out mid value 20, 16, 12, 8 and 4. Suppose in a question this information given this way, so this would be our answer. And if we suppose u and v, so we follow the basic step, here 0 and here -1, -2, here +1 and +2. Look at our u or v, whatever this side, it is not match. Okay, બંને match થતો નથી. Suppose here the class is 2 to 6 is u -2 and here our class 2 to 6 and is u +2. Okay, તો answer opposite આવી ગયો છે. Okay, બંને answer સરખા જ આવવા જોઈએ ને. So here the twist point is when they give class this opposite direction, class જ્યારે opposite direction માં આપેલા હશે એવી situation માં u and v also change, means normally જો class આવી રીતે opposite direction માં હશે, so here we suppose 12 as a or b, so here 0 would come and normally આપણે અહીંયા શું કરીએ છીએ? -1, -2 and here +1, +2. This is our basic rules, but this side we have to alternate this also, we also opposite them. Okay, અને બી opposite કરવું પડશે because class opposite direction માં છે. So here it will be not minus and plus. Okay, normally આપણે શું કરીએ? 0 ઉપર minus અને નીચે plus, right? તો અહીંયા આપણે opposite કરવું પડશે, એટલે કે ઉપર શું આવશે? +1, +2 and here +1, +2 and this side -1, -2. Clear? We have to opposite this. Okay, આ opposite કરવું પડશે. Now you can check, it is telling. Look at here, 2 to 6 and here -2. Look, 2 to 6, -2, 6 to 10, -1, 6 to 10, -1. It is match. Clear? So what is the point you have to remember? If they give class like this in an opposite way, so here you have to also change your u and v. Okay, જે પણ u કે v જે બી connected હશે, sometimes it's also given this opposite way. Okay, આ class પણ opposite માં આપેલો એટલે મેં u ને v બંને words use કરું છું. તો એવી સિચ્યુએશનમાં કરવાનું શું, બેઝિક રૂલ શું છે, આપણે 0 સપોઝ કરીએ, રાઈટ, ઉપર -1 અને નીચે +1 લઈએ. બટ જો આવી રીતે ક્લાસ ઓપોઝિટ ડિરેક્શનમાં હશે તો આપણને ઓપોઝિટ થઈ જશે, ઉપર +1 અને નીચે -1 કરવાનું રહેશે. ક્લિયર? So this is the minor twist point you should remember. Now let's solve the sum. So as I told in a previous video, we have to prepare total 6 column or row both side. Okay, બંને બાજુ 6 column and 6 row બનાવવાની છે. And one more point, remember in a previous video I told 2-3 times, okay, that you must have a practice in book, notebook. તમારે કમ્પલસરી નોટબુકમાં પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવી પડશે તો જ સારામાં સારી રીતે કન્સેપ્ટ ક્લિયર થશે. Now today I am not going to detail in so deep because in a previous video I explained in deep, and if you practice then right now I guarantee you can solve this sum now yourself. Okay, તમે જાતે પણ ગણી શકો છો, નહીં સમજાવ તો પણ, because જે twist point છે, okay, I have already which is the twist point and how to tackle it. બરાબર છે ને, કઈ રીતે સોલ્વ કરવાનું એ પણ જોઈ લીધું છે. So if you practice this sum now you can solve this sum yourself also. So here again I told you, you must practice, okay, to get full marks. So now let's prepare our column. Here y given, so we have to find out first of all its frequency, then its mid value, that is called yi. Next column which we are going to prepare, here y, so v present y, so v, then v fv, v square fv and fuv. Okay, now this side this is x and u present x. Okay, so first column we are going to prepare, that is our frequency fx, then mid value, that is xi, and u present x, so here next column our u, then u square fu, ufu, then u square fu, and last fuv. Okay, so first of all let's prepare this side. Okay, x side of first of all we are going to complete it. Frequency 16 and 22, 38, 6, 10, 12, 12, 6, 18, 10, 28, and 6, 4, 10, and 14. Then mid value here 25, 25 to 30, and 30 to 35. So mid value here 22.5, 27.5, and 32.5. Now u, let's suppose this as a u, so it would be 0. And here it is given a normal way. Okay, here जो class આપેલા છે normal આપેલા છે, એટલે એમાં opposite કઈ નહીં આવશે. Here 0, this side -1, this side +1. Okay, and one more point I told in a previous video, whenever you solve this sum you must write this x minus a divided by cx and our a and cx. Same here, v is equal to y minus b divided by cy and b and cy. Okay, in every sum you have to must write this. Okay, a here 27.5 and cx means difference between class, so you can see that difference between class is 5. Now u fu, okay, this is u, this is u, and fu, this is fx is our fu. Okay, I told you in a previous video this is our fu. So 38 into -1, it would be -38, here 0 and here 14. Then u square fu, we have to multiply this, so here 38, here 0 and here 14. Okay, clear? Now the next come to this side. Frequency of y 6 plus 4 10, 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 12 32, and 22. Next column mid value 14 to 18, mid value would be 16, here 12, here 8, and here 4. 16, 12, 8. Now we should suppose any center number. So here which is center, 12 and 8. So both are in center. So let's go with this. Okay, suppose it is our B, and then our CY. Okay, class interval, difference between class, that is 4. Now here just I explain you. Normally what we write here 0 and here -1, -2, here +1. Okay, this is our normal way. But the class is given in a opposite way. Okay, class opposite માં આપેલા છે એટલે આ પણ opposite થઈ જશે. નોર્મલી આપણે અપર સાઈડ માઇનસ લઈએ છીએ એને બદલે here +1 +2 and this side -1. Okay, clear? Now next column VFV, this is our FI, is our FV. So 10 into 12 to 20, here 16, here 0, -22. Now V square FE, 2 into 20, 40, here 16, here 0, here 22. Clear? Now our last column FUV. So if you practice some after watching last video, then you know now very well how to find out this FUV. We have to multiply F into U into V, right? F, U and V. F means this is our F and we have to multiply with U and V. So let's see. Start from this 16. This is F and here it V is 0 and its U is -1. So 16 into -1 into 0, it would be 0. Okay. Next 22. So here 22, here -1 and here -1. So 22 into -1 into -1, you will get 22. Okay. Now this side 6, 6 into +2 and 6, 0. 6 into 0 into +2. So what would be answer? Answer would be 0. Here 10 is given, this side 0, this side +1. So +1 into 0, it would be 0. Here 12, 12 into 0 and this side also 0, it would be 0. Now if you practice, then at least you must get idea. Here 6, 10, 12, everyone multiply with this 0. Okay, but that 0 સાથે multiply થવાના જ છે. અહીંયા ભલે કોઈ નંબર હોય પણ અહીંયા તો 0 સાથે જ multiply થશે. So here must be 0. Okay, so if you practice, then you must get this idea and your time would be saved. Okay, time તમારો બચી જશે. Okay, now the next 4. This side +2 +1. So 4 into 2 into 1, you will get 8. 6 plus 1 and +1. So it would be 6 and 4 this side 0. So 0 આવ્યું એટલે અહીંયા સીધું 0 થઈ જશે. Now let's prepare this column FUV. So we have to total this 0 and 8. 8, 0 plus 6, 6. All are 0. So 0 and here 22. Now this side 0 plus 22, 22, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 6, 14. Okay. Now let's total. I told you we are not going to total of U and V and mid value. Okay, બેનો total નહીં થશે, એ સિવાય બધાનો total કરીશું. So here the total comes 10 plus 16 plus 2. Wait, here not 2, 16, 12 and 4. That's 32. 10, 16, 32, 22, 18. And this side also it must be 18. Okay, બંને બાજુ 18 જ આવશે. Okay. Now VFV 20, 16 minus 22. So here 14, 14, 16, 22, 78, 8, 6, 22, 36. Now this side minus 13 plus 14. So minus 24, 30 plus 14, 52. And 22 plus 14, 36. And I told you the total of these must be same. Okay, now just apply formula, you will get the answer. But before apply formula, I told that you have to write all things, that is value of n, 80, sigma UFU and sigma U square FU. Okay, write both amount, that is minus 24 and 52. Later on sigma VFV and sigma V square FV, that is 14 and 78. And last sigma FUV, this was 36. Now just apply the formula, n sigma FUV minus sigma UFU sigma VFV divided by n sigma U square FU minus sigma UFU whole square, n sigma VFV V square FV sigma v Fe whole square. So our n is 80, sigma FuV 36, sigma UFU minus 24 into 14. This side n 80, sigma U square Fu 52, UFU minus 24 whole square. Here 80, sigma V square Fv 78 and 14 square. 80 into 36, 2800, 2880. Here minus minus plus 24 into 14, 336. 80 into 52, 4160, 24 square, 576. 80 into 78, 6240, here 196. 2880 plus 336, that is 3216. 4160 minus 576, 3584. 6240 196, 6044, 3216, here 3584, 6044, and if we take root 4654.21, so the final answer 0.69. And here they ask also to find out correlation of determination. Correlation of determination. It means capital R square 0.69 square. So the final answer 0.48. So simple sum, minor twist point, not much hard. Let's see one more sum. Find the coefficient of correlation between supply Y and price X from the following data and interpret it. Interpret it means we have to state the answer, means which type of relation between supply and price, like fully positive, okay, means perfect positive, perfect negative, okay, so we have to write that answer, like positive negative છે કે નહીં તે આપણે answer પણ કહેવાનું છે. So that is not much point. Now here which twist point we are going to solve. So if you check the question, you get the idea. First of all, look at here, price and supply is given, but here price they didn't give class. They didn't give class. So which amount they give? So actually it is nothing. Normally you will must get class. Okay, દરેક દાખલામાં તમને class વર્ગ આપેલા જ હશે. But here we know very well when the class is given, with the help of class, first of all we find out what mid value. જ્યારે પણ class આપે તો આપણે mid value find કરીએ. So this is nothing, it is the mid value. Okay, it is what they directly give mid value instead of class. That is the point and nothing. જે class આપે છે, class પરથી આપણે જે mid value શોધીએ છીએ એ લોકોએ direct શું આપી દીધી છે? mid value and nothing. દાખલો જેમ છે તેમ જ કરવાનો છે. આપણે ઇનડાયરેક્ટ એ લોકોએ શું આપી દીધી છે? mid value આપી દીધી છે instead of class. So it is not much to this point. Okay, and this side look at the class is given but the opposite way, like the previous video, sorry previous sum, 60 to 80, 40 to 60, 20 to 40 કેવું આપેલું છે? opposite form માં આપેલું છે. So in this sum what is the new point? Actually it is not new point, some basic point. They give what? mid value instead of class. Okay, so whenever in a question, means this group data નો કોઈ પણ દાખલો હોય તમને class નહીં આપે તો amount આપી દે. Suppose they give amount 2 4 6 8, so assume that this is a mid value of class directly. Okay, class ની direct શું આપી દીધી છે? mid value આપી દીધી છે 2 4 6 8, રાઈટ. એટલે જ્યારે પણ ડાયરેક્ટ આવી રીતે ક્લાસને બદલે સિમ્પલ ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન આપી દે તો સમજી લો કે આ શું છે? મિડ વેલ્યુ છે. ક્લાસ પર એ લોકો મિડ વેલ્યુ શોધીને આપેલી છે ક્વેશ્ચનમાં. So this is a something not a much hard but minor different point. And one more point, normally in a previous video, okay, we have solved this sum. That time I told you this is our x, okay, this row is our x and the column is y, right? In a previous video I told you. Here also in a question they told that, it is our x and it is our y. Question માં જ કીધું છે, અગાઉના વિડીયોમાં આપણે x લીધેલું હતું અને આ બાજુ y લીધેલું. રો ને આપણે x સપોઝ કરેલું and the column we suppose as a y. In this question they directly told it is our x and it is our y. But in this question they alternate this, okay, alternate કરી નાખ્યું છે. Look at here told that it is supply y, here price x. They clearly told that it is y and it is x. Okay, look at નામ આપેલું છે. Suppose this y or x is not given, so you can suppose this as a x and as a y. Okay, તો આપણે suppose કરી શકીએ છીએ x અને y. But here they clearly told that this is our y and this is x, so we have to follow that. Okay, એ લોકો એને y નામ આપેલું તો આપણે એ રાખીશું અને x આપેલું તો આપણે એ જ રાખીશું. We can't change. So this is not a much twist point, they just alternate. So let's start this sum. So first of all, which column we are going to prepare? Both side, row and column 6. So let's come this side. Now remember, this is now column is our x. Okay, x kya form માં છે? હવે column ના form માં છે. So our first column is our frequency, that's called now fx. Okay, પહેલા અહીંયા આપણે fy આવતો હતો. Now it's fx. Then we are going to find out mid value, that is our x side. Okay, mid value find કરીશું, that is x side. And then u present x side, so next column u fu, u square fu and fuv. Clear? Alternate થઈ ગયું છે because એ લોકોએ x ને y ને alternate કર્યા છે. Normally this u fu column prepare showing as a row. Okay, આપણે row માં આવી રીતે show કરતા હતા. હવે opposite side થઈ ગયું છે, તો એ કોઈ ખાસ twist point નથી, simple point છે. And this side supply y is given, so its frequency is fy. Okay, frequency fy, mid value yi, then v fv, v square fv and fuv. Okay, this way we are going to prepare row and column. Now let's start. First of all, this side frequency, so you can see that frequency here 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 2 10 plus 6 16 and here 11. Then mid value x xi. Now here they already find out mid value. Okay, now we are not going to find out mid value, we have to directly write this. Okay, mid value ready made આપેલી છે 7 11 15 and 19, 7 11 15 and 19. Now u, so for the u we have to suppose any number as a. Okay, કોઈક number ને as a suppose કરીશું. So let's see, 11 as a. Now I told in every sum regarding group data, whenever here you suppose you have to show here x minus a divided by cx, and for the v y minus b divided by cy. Now here a is 11. Now the question is what is the value of cx? Okay, cx ની value કેટલી કેવા છે? Because if we talking about this, so we come to know that here difference is 20, so here we can write that cy 20. Okay, but how we tell that how much difference here? Class interval cx કેટલો આવશે? So very simple, you have to focus this. Look at, there will be same difference, 7 to 11 4, 11 to 15 difference 4, 15 to 19 difference 4. So this is our cx. Okay, so direct mid value આપેલું હશે તો જે mid value નો difference છે ને એ જ આપણો cx કહેવા છે. Okay, whenever they directly give mid value difference between them, it is our cx or cy. Look at here, look at this side 14 to 18. Suppose in this question instead of this they give mid value, means this. Okay, जो mid value આપેલી होते 16 12 18 4. Look at what is the difference between mid value, 16 to 12 4, 12 to 8 4, 8 4, right? And the actual difference is same 4. Okay, so mid value પરથી પણ difference ખબર પડી શકે છે. We can get the value of c. So the difference between these xi observation 7 11 15 19 was 4, so our mid value, our cx would be 4. Now let's prepare column. Here 0, this side minus 1 plus 1 and plus 2. Now next column ufu, so our fx is our FU. So 5 into minus 1, here 0, here 16, here 22. U square FU minus 1 into minus 5, 5, 0, 16 and 44. Clear? Now come to this side. Supply Y. First of all, frequency 8 plus 11, 19. 3 plus 5 plus 6. So 5, 3, 8, 8, 6, 14. 2, 3, 5 and 2, 7. Next column, mid value 16 to 18, mid value 70, then 50, then 30. Now let's suppose the center number means 50 as a B. Okay, and if we suppose 0, so normally rule says 0, then here minus 1, here plus 1, but we know that in a previous sum we saw that the frequency the class is given opposite way. Okay, class opposite way ma છે, so we have to change this 0 here plus 1 and here minus 1. Okay, here 0 આ બાજુ plus 1 આવશે અને આ બાજુ minus 1. We have to change this. Now the next, let's prepare column VFV. This is our frequency. Now it's become FV. So 19 into plus 1, 19. Here 0. Here minus 7. Next column V square FV. 19 into 1, 19, 0. And here plus 7. Okay. Now last FUV. So we know very well. So let's start. First of all, this side A. Oh, sorry. Now I give some basic idea. If you practice this chapter means this sum, this type of group data, you must get idea the easy way. Easy way means here V is 0. Okay, this side V is 0. Okay, here V is 0 છે. So this 3, 5, 6, it will be multiply with this V and whatever U connected. Okay, જે પણ U છે એની સાથે ગુણાશે ને આ બાજુ V સાથે ગુણાશે. But એ compulsory છે કે અહીંયા V is 0 છે. Okay, here V is 0. So here all answer must be what? 0. Clear? બધા answer કેવા આવશે? 0 જ આવશે. Direct 0 0 લખી દો. Your time would be saved. Okay, સમય બચી જશે. આઈડિયા આવ્યું? Okay. બસ એક આ બેઝિકલી યાદ રાખજો કે આ બાજુ 0 છે તો બધું 0 સાથે જ મલ્ટીપ્લાય થવાનું છે તો ફાઇનલ 0 જ આવશે તો એમાં કોઈ મહેનત નહીં કરવાની. સેમ ટુ સેમ ધીસ સાઈડ, કારણ કે કોઈને પણ આપણે સપોઝ કરીએ 0 1 છે ને, there must be 1 0 both side. So here it is 0. So એની સામે જે બી હશે બધામાં શું આવશે? 0 જ આવશે. Clear? So now you remaining what? This 8. So let's solve this 8. This side plus 1. This side plus 1 and this side also plus 1. So you will get 8. Here 11, this side plus 1, this side plus 2. So you will get 22. Now 2. This side plus 1 and this side minus 1. So plus minus, it become minus. And the last, these 2. This side minus 1, this side also minus 1. So minus 1 into 2, you will get plus 2. So now let's prepare column of FUV. 0 2 2 0 0 0 8 minus 2 minus 6 and 22. Okay, sorry, minus 6 not plus 6. 8 minus 2 plus 6. Now this side 8 22 30. Here 0, here 2 0 minus 2, it would be 0. Now let's total. I told you we are not going total of UV and mid value. So 19 plus 14 plus 7, 40. Also check this side. Okay, both side 40. Now UFU 16 22 minus 5. So it would be 33. 5 16 44 65 and 6 to 8 8 22 30. 19 minus 7 UVFV, that is 12 26 and here 13. I told you this both must be matched. Now let's apply formula, but before apply we have to write everything, the value of UFU, VFV, U square FU and V square FU. N40, then sigma UFU and sigma U square FU. Okay, that is 33 and 65. 365. VFV and V square FV, that is 12 and 26. 12, 26, and last sigma FUV, that is 30. Now just apply formula, you will get the answer. So now remaining calculation, that is your homework, you can do yourself, there is nothing to explain. Okay, તો બાકીની ગણતરીમાં R મૂકીને તમે આન્સર સુધી કરજો. I think answer 0.69 આવશે. You can do yourself. Okay.